Hello, good evening everyone. So today we are going to discuss question number 2, means to say second part of question number 1 of exercise 25.1, in which we need to find radius of convergence of that value. So here as we already solved first question of Taylor series, so this is the second question in which we need to find the radius of convergence. So students, as we already know that to find radius of convergence, the formula will be 1 by r equals to what? Limit n tends to infinity, and that is a n plus 1 divided by a n. That is a general formula. So I will put these value. First of all, I will find the value of a n. So from formula I can write a n equals to what? 1 by 3 power n plus 1. So for a n plus 1 means to say at the place of n I will keep n plus 1 value. So its value will be 1 by 3 power n plus 1 and plus 1 already. Here I kept at the place of n I kept n plus 1. So its value will turn into 1 by 3 n plus 3 power n plus 2. So now we can find the value of r. 1 by r equals to what? Limit n tends to infinity, and by keeping these values 1 by 3 power n plus 2 divided by 1 by 3 power n plus 1. So its value will be what? 1 by 3 power n plus 2 multiply 3 power n plus 1 will go upside, divided by 1. So from here 1 by 3 power n plus 2 we can write this value as 1 by 3 power n plus 1 multiply 3 and into 3 power n plus 1 divided by 1. Here this value I just change 3 power 1 now. So here if base is same, then we can add the power, and ultimately its power will be n plus 2 only. So vice versa, we can do that. 3 power n plus 2 we can write 3 power 1 into 3 power n plus 1. So 3 power n plus 1, 3 power n plus 1 cancel out. So its value will be 1 by 3. Here no need to put the limits as n is not existing. So we can write that 1 by r equals to 1 by 3. So the value of r will be 3 only. So this is our required answer. Students, we will solve one by one each and every question of that chapter also in the between, as already I had told you in the previous question that I was somewhere in problem. That's why videos were I was not able to upload the videos in between since from 1.5 year approximately. So I hope again you people will join me, and you people will give some courage to me so that I can upload more videos, and ultimately we need to give the solutions of HK Das book overall. So thank you. Have a good day. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe as well. Thank you.